An EAS participant has issued administrative message for the following counties/areas: Northeast Virginia, Fairfax County, VA. At 12:07 a.m. on April 11, 2026, effective until 12:07 p.m. The Virginia State Police has issued a critically missing adult alert on behalf of Fairfax County Police Department on April 10, 2026 at 23:15 hours. The Fairfax County Police Department is looking for Mary Elise Davenport, race, white, sex, female, age, 25 years old, height, 4 foot 11 inches, weight, 105 pounds, with blue eyes and brown hair. She was last seen on April 9, 2026 at 16:30 hours on foot at Route 50 and Pleasant Valley Road, in Fairfax. She was possibly wearing a dark navy blue trench coat, curly black hoodie, blue jeans with copper beads on upper legs, and brown leather boots. She may now be barefoot. This disappearance poses a credible threat to their health and safety as determined by the investigating agency. Please contact the Fairfax County Police Department with any information regarding their whereabouts at 703-691-2131, or you may find complete information at https://alerts.vsp.virginia.gov.